Do I look tired? I feel tired. It's been a day. Hey you bitches, I'm Rob and this is On the Cheap Tip, and this video today is a little bit of an impromptu type video. One of my friends recently had said that my skin has been looking really good lately. I guess it's because I have changed my whole skincare routine. Since I've had my friend Jenny here telling me about toxic ingredients in some of the products that I was using, I'm using a lot more safer products than I was before. So I figure, why not show you guys my new and improved skincare routine and show you why my skin is looking less wrinkly, I will say, especially around the eyes and the forehead area. It's just like snatched. I want to show you how to do it too. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is wash my face, and I'm not using the same face wash that I used to wash with. I have started using the Beauty Counters. I don't know if you can see this because I have to refocus. This is a oh god, the trials and tribulations of being a beauty guru, which I am not. Just saying. Come on, bitch. Focus. So I've been using this, oh, that's in a different language. This cream exfoliant. It's like a face wash. It's got a little bit of jojoba beads in it, so that's what makes it scrubby, and you only need a very small amount. Usually I wet my face with really hot water. Face wash. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. I like to get a good scrub in there. You're supposed to get your neck too, but sometimes I forget to do that. I also try not to overwash my face too. I think that's really important for some people. I only wash my face usually twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night. If I got really oily during the day, then I'll wash it once in the middle, but I try not to wash it that often. All right, I gotta wash this off. That was done with like the hottest water. We're gonna go on to the next thing. Hazel, because I've noticed that it actually takes off more of the dirt and oils that sometimes your face wash can leave behind. And I like using this around my eyes as well. I didn't know that you could use it around your eyes until I did a tutorial on dark circles, but it helps to reduce your dark circles as well. And all I do is just kind of go around the edges mostly of my hairline and around the edges by ears and stuff. And then I just get in like the creases. That's the part where you like usually miss. You can actually see there's like some extra dirt and oil. I don't want to show you that because that's kind of gross. Then I take a different cotton ball and I do my under eyes, and I just pat very lightly around the eyes just to kind of tighten up the skin. And after you're done using witch hazel, I swear my skin feels so super tight. The next thing I do is I have this little sample box that I got from Beauty Counter. Not sponsored once again, but they can sponsor me if they like. And I like to use this rejuvenating serum. I think this is more for you to put like under makeup and wear during the day, and it's supposed to smooth out your face and stuff like that, but I like using it at night because I just like the way that it feels. I just kind of put it on my skin while my pores are nice and open. Another product that I use is Rejuvenating Night Cream from the same sample packet. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm almost out of this. Like I said, it doesn't have the extra chemicals and stuff in it that, you know, other stuff has that I didn't realize it did. So yeah, now you can tell it's like there's really hardly anything in it. Ooh, I took way too much. And all I do is just put a very small amount onto my face. I hit. I'll just put it all over. Gotta get the neck, gotta get the neck. Now I was using the Beauty Counter eye cream. I used the hell out of that, so I have none of that left. I do need a new eye cream if you know of any that I should use, but I do still use my vitamin E supplements, my little pills. Let me open this up. I don't use this every night on my eyes because I feel like it sometimes creates milia, which is those little pimples that are around your eyes that you can't pop because you can really hurt yourself. You kind of gotta let them leave by themselves. All I do is take a very small amount of the vitamin E and just dab. I know you're gonna get mad at me because I'm using the wrong finger. Sorry, people. Then I go around the top of the eye, a little bit on the outside. The whole eye area is what I like to try to get. And then I usually just take this pill because it's good for you, apparently. I don't know. I don't know much about science. And then I just top off my moisturizing session with a little bit of chapstick. This is not a natural chapstick. This is something I think I got from ShopRite or Walgreens or something like that. I'm sure some of these ingredients are probably not good. I recommend using a natural beeswax one, even though I'm not doing it. Do as I say, not as I do. Anyway, that's my whole video, and I hope that you liked it. I am gonna get ready for bed because I'm a tired boy and I have a long date tomorrow. Make sure that you comment down below and leave me some love, and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, my neck cracked. That was weird. I'm so sweaty. It's so hot in here. It is so hot in here. What just happened in here? Did the light just go out or something? That was a little crazy. Okay, we gotta be a little quiet because I'm not trying to wake up anybody. All I'm gonna say, it's sleepy time, guys. It's sleepy time. Yeah, whatevs.